Hello YouTube, today we're going to do a plan of a medical center here in AutoCAD, and we're going to give the complete experience so new beginners can also try this. So let's go forward, and we're going to start with a new plan here, and the entire formatting I'll do, and letting me know in the comments if you want to see anything else. Okay, so first of all, you can see the grids. These grids are on, and we can just kind of save the drawings here. Okay, just choose your suitable location, and then you save the drawings here. Okay, so I'm going to choose my location here, and as I'm working real time here, uh, sorry, I messed up. Okay, so just name this medical, just okay, done, and nice and good to start. First of all, we have to see the units, so we're going to make this plan in I have a reference along with me, a sketch which I've got, and I'm just going to select the units first, and the units we're going to do in so no more precision needed rather than the here. Okay, so we're going to go with 0 precision here and click on OK. And then once this is done, and we will go to annotate and just set some texts for us. Okay, so we're going to just go with T1 here, and in the T1 we're going to just give the Times New Roman, and the height we're going to keep this as 150, and then click on apply, set current, and then we'll just click a new another text type here, T 1.5. so here we're just going to open the calculator, and this is 150 into 1.5 is equals to 225. so I'm going to just give the text style as 225. Apply, and new. So this will just go this T2, and then click on OK, and then this will be obviously 150 into 2, that is 300 mm. So 300 mm is the height of this particular text, and then we'll just go ahead and click on apply, and then click on close. So these are the 3 texts which we have created, and then we have the dimensions here. So some dimensions here. So D1 will be the first dimension which we have created, and then just click on T1 here, and align with dimension line is preferred here, and text style we have selected here, decimal obviously 0 precision for the units here, and then we're just going to round it off at 0, and then here symbols and arrow size is important, so we'll just keep the arrow size as 150, and automatically see now the arrow size here, and this particular text is not visible, so now it is visible. Okay, so like this you can change the arrow size as well, and another thing which you can change, extend beyond dimension line. You can see if I increase this, suppose say 100, you can it's not this one, sorry, let me just get this one here, and this one offset from origin. I actually extend your dimension line is this. This is the dimension line, so this will go a little bit up, so it will go 1 mm up currently. So offset from origin is this offset, so if you just give it 100, this will make it visible. You can see 100 mm it will take offset from origin, so you can just set it accordingly, and just keep 25, just little bit offset from the point in which we are taking the dimensions actually. So this is preferred. Click on OK, and first of all let's set this as set current, and we will create 2 more. Just the text size will change here. Primary units are good. Text will just change here. T1 point. This was T2 D2, right? So we got T2 here, and click on OK, and another one, and D 1.5, continue with that, and text will be D 1.5. okay. Always just set the lowest text size as the current text size. So three text size which we have created here, and we might need some leaders here, the arrows and all. So for that we have to set some leaders here, and just go and create new leaders here. I'll similarly do these things. So by the way, if you just create one particular format once, you can use that for a long period of time, and you have to do not to do this always. Okay, so arrowhead size will go just to 150 here for all arrowhead sizes here, and in the content here we'll just go T1 for the first one, and we'll set this as current. Now we need to do more of the L1.5 and just change the text here. Okay, and one more which will be L2, so L2 continue, and T2. okay, so this first one is set correct. So the three leaders are there here. Now we're going to home, absolute, to turn on and off the grid. So it is basically your preference which you want to turn on and off the grids. You can also do using this icon which is present here. Okay, this is this or absolute. I prefer the grids off, and if you're wondering that why my screen is gray and not white and not black, because I have changed the color. So basically this color suits, because I'm working long time in AutoCAD, this color suits my eyes and puts less pressure on my eyes than white, and so that's why I'm using this color. And the colors which are not visible in black also, they're white also, they're visible in gray. So gray is in between black and white, so that's why I'm using this. If you want to do this custom orientation here, you can just click on OP, enter, and colors, and just you can select the color. If it is not available, you can just go to select color and recommend picking a generic color, that will be better. Okay, I've selected this one. So anyway, for the if you're a beginner, better you start with black color, which is the by default AutoCAD color for your modeling. Okay, so okay, now when you start the modeling here, when you take the line here, or you can also click on L, enter, you will see line we can draw anywhere, and this is the ortho. So if you click on ortho, then only you can draw at 90-degree angles here. Okay, so here you can practice along with me, obviously. So this is the purpose of this whole tutorial. Come block. Okay, so first distance is 4975. So this is the center to center distances which are available here. You can zoom out with your mouse, and you can select this and enter and move it up or down. Okay, so 4975 is the first dimension here, and then we can also place the columns also, by the way, in this. Okay, or else you can do it later also. So 4975, and again L, enter to continue the line here, and then again we have one 4975, enter. So two lines here, and then we have a 2700, enter, and then we have, you can the direction which you're going with the mouse is the direction in which the line is also moving forward. So again another 4975, enter, and another 4975, enter. So here you can check the dimensions also. You can check using you can see the sign changes here. First dimension is 4975 here, like this you can check using this. So here also I will draw more lines here. 1800 is this line here, and then 4375 is the second line, and the next line is 1800, and so these are the lines which are created. And just get rid of this dimension here, and move this above, and then select this and move it here. Okay, so now we're going to work on the internal dimensions. By the way, we can also check the external dimension here of the total thing which we have created here, like this. To T2 to 60, and if you want to increase the dimensions, and you just go to annotate, and you can see the advantage of this is the largest size which you created. You can just increase or decrease this, okay. But you know, the T1 is set current, so everything will be T1. New dimension, if you do this again, it will be T1. So but if you want to set this you know, T2 as the current dimension, you have to just go to this text and then set this as the set current dimension, okay. So like this we can do this, okay. So coming back here, and okay, so here in this 4975, let us just draw some lines here in this dimensions here, where the dimensions end. So here is an end here. You can just take this and make sure these all are turned on, right? Okay, just randomly create a line, or else you can also, you know, take this line and then you can copy this line from C end, and select this and then select. So here we have this, and then select this, and also select this, and so we have this ready here, and then we have a 6 feet or 18800 wide veranda here. So you can see this is the 1818700 wide, and this will be up to this much. Let's just do this and use TR enter. So if you're using older versions of AutoCAD, there will be TR double enter. Newer version is only TR enter, and just select this, and you can trim your required places. And here also, this line you can copy like this. This is the blue selection, and blue selection only when the line is completely selected, you can see, then only it selects. The green selection is only if you even select a bit of the part, the whole part is what gets selected. So you use this selections very carefully in AutoCAD, okay. This is the weapon which we use, okay. So this is the part which you made. We're just making a centerline sketch here, and then we'll also make a full-on sketch here, okay. So don't worry about that. So this will be our corridor or veranda, and you can just trim this portion here using the TR enter, and then clicking the parts here, okay. So now this, from the center, you can see the center, there is a triangle symbol here coming up. You can see when you select the center, there is a triangle symbol coming up here. So what you can do, you can just select this from the triangle. You can just draw like this, and similarly you can just trim this, okay, and then copy, and then we can copy this here, okay. Again this one also you can copy this here and here like this, okay. So we can leave a standard door here, okay. For the toilet we can leave a 750 mm door for the toilet here, and for the other purposes we can leave a 1200 mm door. So 750 mm door offset. So click on O, enter for the offset 7750, and then enter just to make this offset of the door. Select this like this, select this like this, okay. So these two are the toilets here, and these two are the toilets here, similar orientation. And for this portion we have 1200 offset for this portion, okay. Now use the TR enter option here for the door here, okay. Now this is door for this toilet and veranda. Okay, Control Z. I think we've done this wrong. Now it's right. So now we can just put in some text, I think. Okay, or else we can just complete this and then put the text here. Okay, text and along with some dimensions here you can just do. So let's do the dimensions here. Okay, so if you just go for the text also here, here we'll just call this veranda. Okay, move this a little bit, adjust this. If you want to turn off the ortho to adjust this, you can just do this. So ortho is turned off. You can also use the F8 option to turn off the ortho, and then we'll just use this. This will be our toilet. So I'll just turn on the ortho because it's easier to copy this way. Toilet and veranda, and we'll just copy the veranda we have together, and then the toilets also. Okay, this is done like this, and this will be called OPD, or the doctor's consultation room. This is similar actually plan, and then we have a staircase here. So if you have a staircase of tread of 250 mm, just use this. So you have one riser here in one flight. I'm talking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have 3 meter height, then this is enough. If you have more, then you can add more risers also. Okay, so you can just do this and just 25 mm on both sides, and then we'll delete this and trim the center portion. Staircase, almost this is center to center, so almost this will be eventually, I think this will be around 1 meter, so this is perfect size for the staircase. So we'll do a MLD, and just note this as up, UP, up. Okay, this is the up MLD. Now this will be a veranda around 6 feet, so 1.8 meter wide veranda. So this is the veranda here, and the entry obviously will be through this. Let me just extend this now. For now, we'll delete this later. It depends on the plinth height, how many steps will be there. So suppose if the plinth height is 600, then you have to give like the plinth height is 600, then you have to give like 600 divided by the riser is 150, then it will be 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps or 4 risers. So one riser is there, offset of 250. The tread is 250 for the staircase. 2, 3, and 4. EX enter. Just extend this. TR enter, enter this. Okay. So nice and good. And if you, I just want to I think I want to increase the dimension style here. So just change the dimension style here. Current to D2. Set current, close. Now I draw that new dimensions. It will all, at least the external dimensions I want to look, they to look bigger, and obviously, and yeah. Internal dimensions also I think I can manage with this style, or else I can change it later also, so nothing to worry about, I guess. So line diagram, center to center. You can also add the walls, just offset, and then add the walls here, so no problems here. So if you also want to show the window location, you can also show the window location here. So let's also show this dimensions, because these dimensions are missing here. Okay, nice and good. So these dimensions are also there, and all the dimensions I think which we need will be available from here, and you can also go ahead if I want. I think just we'll take this. So if you want to give a like a 5-foot window, 5 divided 3.28, 1.5, let's give 1.5 meter window here, 1500. So just to represent this in the line diagram, what we'll do, just 2050 should be enough, I think. And then extensions not turned on here, it's turned on. No, that was not turned on, sorry. So you can see the object snap turned on makes the drawing much more easier. So you can just make this a block here, and just give a name window W, enter, and the advantage is that we can choose the center point very easily here in the block, and double click you can go in the block editor and then you can change this. I'm going to add a center line here to just to close block editor and save the changes here, just to add this, and just singly can select everything. So select this and copy, and there will be a window here. So let's give a window here, and door obviously of 1200 we need to give. Okay, 1200 already selected, so you can see offset 1 plus O enter 12 already selected. Just click on enter again, no need to enter the value here, and you can select this like this. Okay, this will be obviously B1. Turn off the ortho, and this will be W. Caps lock on. So let's create the sheet also. Okay, now let me just make this first floor plan also, because this is quite similar. Okay, so let's prepare the for size here. So how to prepare the size, let me just show you. So just search here, because I'm just showing you from the very beginning. So just search here, A4 paper size. So it is 297 into 210, as far as I know, 210 into 297. So just select this and rectangle 2110, 297, enter. So this is the case here, and we'll see. And first of all, try 100. Here this accommodates, then it's good. Obviously this will be better in the landscape mode. So just want to turn this around. So no, RO, enter. And if the ortho is on, then it will turn like this, otherwise it will. So make sure that ortho is turned on here, and first of all we'll check whether this is the this will be accommodated in this plan or not. So otherwise we have to increase. Okay, this will be well and good here, so you don't need to increase this. First of all, let me go with the 100 offset for the thin line. Okay, this thin line, and this particular line I'll just explode this. Just type EXPLODE, explode, and this got exploded here. So default text height, if I take as, let's say, 300 and 200, 100 and 100 more on both sides, so let's say 500 is the default line height rather. So I need 4 lines here, basically 4 lines, maximum 4 lines we need, I think, for any. But some, if you just include general notes also, then it's other thing for that. So in the first floor there will be a balcony here, and balcony width, let's give this 3 feet wide, 3 feet, 3.5. Okay, let's give a 1 meter balcony, right? Let's give a 1.1 meter balcony here, and obviously in the first floor this will not be there. J enter to join this, and in this one you can do D for the main door, and it's better to include that this is the entry point here, MLD. So if I just want to increase this, just go to annotate, and then I'll just choose L2, so this will get increased. Okay, so 1 meter balcony, 1000 offset from here. Now see, this is another command, F enter, fillet, select this and select this, space to repeat the command, select this and select this. So this gets done here, and we can write here. So we can make sure auto is turned on. You want to do a rotated text, just copy this, use R, O, enter, or you can also select this like this, select this, move this, M enter, like this. I just want to select this, and okay, so everything is small here, so I'll just do in small, sorry, lowercase, not small, uppercase and lowercase. Okay, this is better in the middle, I think. Yeah, and this do not block the entry, just turn this a little bit more middle here, and we need the directions here. Don't have the directions currently, sorry, so that will site plan I don't have. So let's go and put the LAN here first. So if you just want to add the walls, simply if you have a centerline diagram, so if wall is 250 mm wall, so just 125 on both sides, offset like this, offset like this. I can easily add the walls here. So I'm not going to add the walls here, there's the requirement, only the conceptual centerline plan here. This is the thing. Hope I haven't missed anything here. And this will be the drawing title I need to give here. So title, caps lock on, bold off, I think underline also should be off. Proposed extension, 3+1 storied building for, oh, it's at, right, at medical service center under just check the spelling of the sure. So I think both the spellings are there with the S and without a S, so I'll let it pass. Does it look good like this, or I should trim this? I think this trim trick I'm just showing you. So this is not visible, right? So you can see everything is gone. Similarly, everything is gone here. So this is a new trim trick which is available in this new patch of the AutoCAD. Okay, so this is there, and the remaining things I'll just leave this blank. I think it's not required. I'll just make sure that is another this will be a title actually. So now I can just print this file. So it's important how to print this PDF also. We'll just go with my Microsoft Print to PDF. So therefore go with F4 here and go for the window, and first of all select the window like this, and then center the plot, landscape orientation, preview to check this everything is correct or not, and yes, looks okay. And then just going to click on OK, and here I'm just going to name this. This will be the just going to create a folder, I think, here. One, since this is the ground floor. I'll also show you how to send this to at once. So everything I'll show you, don't worry about that. Okay. I think I'm not copied this too. Okay. Okay, now just now this two PDFs, so then you can go ahead and use the merge option. So it's better to select this like this rather than dropping this. So you can rotate this, I think, like this. Yeah. 1, 2, merge. Compress this because it's better to okay, continue to compress this. Okay. So now you can send this to the person you want. So thanks for watching. Let's see what more we can record today. Bye bye.